Today we deal with concept of solution of algebraic and transcendental equation. Here our first method is bisection method. Our first method is bisection method. Suppose we have given a function fx. We want to find the root of fx. That means to find a point, x bar such that f of x bar should be previously we have given some concept related to existence of a root. You all can recall that? You all can recall that one? If fx is a continuous function in the interval ab and fa and fb has opposite sign, then there exists one point j such that f of j equal to 0. Already we have given this in our introductory class. Now, knowing this theorem or knowing this concept, how we apply? Here this method or this bisection method states that if I take 2 points, suppose I have given function, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and suppose I have I can extend this. Suppose I have a function like this. Now, if we have a point A here, another point B here, such that corresponding value, here we have a value corresponding to this here, FB point. Now, as FA is positive and FB is negative here, or we can say FA and FB are opposite sign, then there exists at least one point j such that f of j equal to 0. Now, to find this j, what we take? We simply bisect the interval. Means, in our first step, what we take? If here A, B point, then the midpoint of this interval, suppose here, suppose this point you say, this point I am saying a plus b divided by 2. Now, looking into this point, this is my first iteration x0. Now, what we say? Now, we are giving that the first iteration of this bisection method is this point x0. Now, we have to compute the value of function at that point, and suppose this value is f of x0. Now, geometrically you can see that here f of x0 is positive. So, using our that concept, if a and b are 2 points and fa and fb has opposite sign, then root exists between this interval. Now, knowing that as here f of x0 is positive and f of b is negative, so we can say that there exists one root lies between this interval here. So, what we take, we are approximating the root to this point. Now, in our next step, what we do? In our next step, we, as this point, I am taking x0 and this point is b. So, my next root interval will be, or this next approximation will be x1. x1 is for x0 plus b divided by 2. Okay. Now, x1 is my next iteration or next approximation to the root, and here as x0 is my first iteration root, now x1 is second iteration root. Now, similar process, compute function value at this x1 point. Here the value is f of x1. Now you can see as f of x1 is negative, fb is negative, but previously f of x0 is positive. So root lies between which interval? Root will lies between this much, x0 to x1. Root lies between x0 to x1. Next root lies between x0 to x1. Again, in our next iteration, similar way, what we can approach for next iteration, thus next x2 value will be x0 plus x1 divided by 2, or some point here. Some point here, we say this value as x2, and we are taking that x0 plus x1 by 2. That means in our first iteration, we found root lies between AB interval. Using this, we got x0 equal to a plus b divided by 2. In next iteration, x1, we say we got x0 plus b divided by 2. In next iteration again, we got x2 equal to x0 plus x1 by 2. And in the similar process, we can find the rest iteration. And after some time, the root must be converges to our exact root j. Is it clear to all? Everyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to all? Now, look here. At every step, we are breaking the interval into half. Okay. In every step, we are breaking the interval into half. Now, knowing this, what do you write? We have to write if epsilon is the error, then we have b minus a mod divided by 2 to the power n less than epsilon, where n is the number of iteration. So it simply gives n greater than equal to log e b minus a mod divided by epsilon divided by log base a 2. Okay, that means if epsilon is my error of tolerance, then how many steps we have to compute? We have to compute this much of step. This is one 2 mark short question coming in your exam. Okay, log base e 2. Now I think time has already gone for your attendance. Just I'm going there. Just I'm increasing the time. Just you have to go to that assignment part and you have to give the attendance. So just I am editing or increasing the time. Now time is 3:09. You have to compute. You have to complete the attendance before 3:15. Okay. 3:15. Okay, those who have not given the attendance, please go there and give the attendance. Okay. Please everyone. Hello. Everyone, go to the your Google Classroom and give the attendance. I think some student has given the attendance. Now you can also give. Those who have not given, just go there and give the attendance. Okay, and just write this one. If epsilon is the error of tolerance, then number of steps will be greater than log base e b minus a mod divided by epsilon divided by log base e 2. Okay. Now knowing this, just try to solve another question. Try to solve another question. You take the question x cube minus 2x minus 5. Okay. My next question is solve x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. And take a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. Okay. My question is compute 3 steps. Okay, that means I need x1, x2 and x3. Okay, please do it now. Please do it and give me the answer. Function is x cube minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Take a equals to 2 and b equals to 3 and compute 3 steps to find the value of x1, x2, x3. Everyone getting what I'm saying? Huh? Everyone getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Just try to solve. Huh? Otherwise, I am going to solve. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to solve for fx equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5. I'm taking a equals to 2, b equals to 3. So simple, my x0 will be 2 plus 3 divided by 2. That is 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Now f of 2.5 will be 2.5 whole cube minus 2 into 2.5, 2 into 2.5 minus 5. This gives
5.625.
how much? 5.625. Okay. Now this is positive. Okay. Before that, I need to compute for f of 2. F of 2 is 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 5. 8 minus 4 minus 5, that is
Minus 1.
minus 1, negative. And f of 3, that is 3 cube minus 2 into 3 minus 5, 27 minus 6 minus 5. This is positive. So as I have got one positive, so root lies in root lies in 2 and 2.5. Now after that, I will go for x1. x1 equal to 2 plus 2.5 divided by 2, that is 4.5 divided by 2, that is 2.25. Now compute f of 2.25, that is 2.25 whole cube minus 2 into 2.25 minus 5. This value is I have to find for 2.25 whole cube into 2.25 into 2.25. This value is 11.3.
1.39.
1.3.
9.
Sure na?
Yes.
1.39. या और कुछ है उसके साइड में?
No, sorry sir. So two.
देखो देख से ये 5 वाला है ना, राउंड फिगर में कुछ आएगा लग रहा है.
Yes sir.
1.39 नहीं है और कुछ आएगा. ये सब 5 वाला है तो 25 वाला 5 रहेगा यूनिट प्लेस में.
सर 1.89 आ रहा.
Yes sir.
हाउ मच? पूरा लास्ट बोलो ना, डेसिमल 4-5 प्लेसेस तक बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
1.890625.
0625. Very good. Okay. Now this value is positive. This value is positive. So next you write, hence root lies in देखो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव आ गया, तो नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे भी पॉजिटिव था. हियर नेगेटिव कहाँ पे था? यहाँ पे नेगेटिव था. देन the next approximation will be root lies in how much? Root lies in 2 to 2.25. ना, this is function value. 1.89 को तुम चेक कर रहे हो पोजीशन, फंक्शन पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है उसके लिए. रूट कहाँ पे रहेगा? a, b, x0, x1, x2. These are the roots. Okay, so next approximation is 2.25. Okay, now x1 हो गया. Next compute x2. x2 equal to 2 plus 2.25 divided by 2, 4.25 divided by 2, that is 2.125. Now compute f of x2. F of 2.125. Just compute 2.125 whole cube minus 2 into 2.125, then minus 5. Just please tell what is the value.
minus 5.569.
माइनस आया.
सर ना सर गलत है सर.
पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव दिन से देखो. हाँ,
सर 0
0.3457. 345
7.
7
अगेन पॉजिटिव. इजी क्वेश्चन है ये. नहीं, अगेन पॉजिटिव तो व्हाट यू से, रूट लाइज इन कहां से कहां तक. तो लुकिंग इनटू दिस, व्हाट यू से, यहाँ से
2 to 2.15 125.
then you say root lies in 2 to 2.125. कहाँ तक हुआ, x2 है और एक नेक्स्ट चाहिए x3. x3 will be 2 plus 2.125 divided by 2, that is 4.125 divided by 2, that is how much, 2 point कितना 06. हाँ, 0625. This much is our answer. Okay, everyone getting? Everyone getting it or कुछ है?
Yes sir.
Okay, this is all the concept related to bisection method. ठीक है. Now for the limitation में polynomial वाला दिया है. ठीक है, x cube x square वाला. but अगर ध्यान से देखोगे तो एग्जाम में तुमको इतना इजी वाला नहीं देगा. he will ask you जो कि कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा तुम्हारा साइन कॉस वैसा वाला क्वेश्चन देके हो सकता है. so you take this question. Okay, you take this one. दिख रहा है ना क्वेश्चन. फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस.
सर क्लियर नहीं
Question
दिख रहा है.
is, हाँ ध्यान से देखो. ठीक है, ये पेन में लिखा है ना, थोड़ा अलग आएगा. क्वेश्चन इज 5 sin x. जूम कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन इज 5 sin x इक्वल टू e to the power minus 4. क्वेश्चन इज परफॉर्म 4 iteration of bisection method to find a root in between 2.9 to 3.15. Okay, question is visible to all.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
हाँ, देखो ठीक से. 5 sin x equal to e to the power minus x by 4. You have to perform 4 iteration of bisection method to find a root lies between 2.9 to 3.15. Now already I have computed, but applying your calculator you have to make that arrangement as x is in how much डिग्री और रेडियन में होता है ना, उसको अरेंज करना पहले. ठीक है, यूज द कैलकुलेटर. कैलकुलेटर में तुमको वो अरेंज करना है सेटिंग में जाके. x इज हियर रेडियन, नहीं तो डिग्री होगा तो वैल्यू अलग आ जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ from that I have computed, just you can check. The value of x0 is 2.9, x1 is 3.15. so f of x0 equal to 0.711922, which is positive, and f of x1 is minus 0.4971017, which is negative. So root lies between x0 and x1. here a b के जगह में x0 x1 लिखा हूँ, ठीक है. So simultaneously your x2 will be x0 plus x1 by 2, that is 2.9 plus 3.15 divided by 2. This value gives me 3.025. After that, I have computed the value of f of x2. F of x2 value is just here, x2 is 3.025. So put here 5 sin 3.025 equal to e to the power minus x by 4. So ध्यान से देखो, to find the root यहाँ पे और एक कैच है, but question is this much. So first you have to convert this into your fx equal to 0 form. So you can write 5 sin x minus e to the power minus x by 4 equal to 0. And you take this much as your function fx. Okay. So applying the value of x here, apply value of x, that is x2 value here. We have got f of x2 value is 0.11222. This is positive value. So root lies between 3.025 to 3.15. Now we have compute x3 value. x3 is 3.025 plus 3.15 divided by 2. This gives 3.0875. After that, compute the value of f of x3. That gives me negative value. So root lies between, देखो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, here negative, here positive, okay, here 2.9 positive, 2.9 positive, here negative. So जब नेगेटिव आया तो we replace negative to negative. So 3.025 to 3.0875. In the similar process, compute x4, because question is asking for 4 iteration. So you go for x4 value. X4 value is equal to 3.025 plus 3.0875 divided by 2. This gives me 3.05625. Function value x4 is negative. So root lies between 3.025 to 3.05625. And compute x5 as this much. So the value after 4 iteration is this much, 0.04063, right? 3.04063. Okay.